Do you know that you can make a lot of money with surveys? Do you want the freedom to travel to be anywhere with your family, to live the life that you desire? Do you know that there are companies that could be paying you just by telling them your opinion? Here's the thing. You can make over $3,500 per month taking paid surveys online. Yeah, you can make money by telling your opinion about products and services. You're going to freak out when you see how easy it is. All you need is to use a secret trick to get your inbox filled with paid surveys, and you're going to learn how to choose the best ones. Click the link below in the description of this video to learn more.